Hey everyone, so I wanted to give you a quick video on this. We are going to be plotting some points to have a mystery picture. So you're gonna look for this worksheet right here and split it apart. So I've got mine split right over here. And what I want us to do is remind ourselves how to plot points. So you learned how to do this last year. Some of you did it virtually, so hopefully that this will be a nice little reminder. All you need is a pencil for this. As we plot our points, we're gonna end up finding a mystery picture. So if we look over here, and I'm gonna go grab my highlighter here. If we look over here, okay, hello. We've got our points over here. So these are what we're gonna look for, and we're gonna put them into this page right here. So the way that we're gonna do this is we are going to look at our X and Y axis. So remember, and I'm gonna go in and erase some of this stuff here. Remember that our X axis is our flat axis right here. And those are gonna be all of our first numbers over here. And I can't go up because there's a piece on my screen. I don't know if you can see it on your screen, but then our y-axis right here are our second numbers. So they're gonna be these ones right here. And what you're gonna do is you are going to look at, we're gonna start with this one right here, and we're gonna go ahead and plot that. So the way that we plot it is, because I've got in my yellow column, I have an 11. I'm gonna go all the way over to 11. And then it says in my blue column, I need to go up to 12. So then I'm gonna go up to 12 and I'm gonna put a dot. So I'm gonna go over to 11 and up to 12, and it's harder for me to do on my screen here. I'm gonna put a dot. So do you see that I went over to 11 and up to 12? So then I can go ahead and cross out this one. I've done that one. And then let's go to the next one. And I think I have here 312. It's not letting me erase this. 312, yes, I do. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my blue column, my blue column, I'm gonna go over to 3, and then I'm gonna go up to 12 right here. So I'm gonna go grab my pencil again. I'm gonna go over to 3 and up to 12 is gonna give me a point right here. Now I'm gonna connect these 2 points. So I'm gonna connect them. Now on your paper, it should be a little neater and on the line, but on my digital paper, it's hard to do. So then I can go ahead and cross off this one, and I'm gonna do the next one, which says 316. So I'm gonna go over to 3 and up to 16 and put my dot, and I'm gonna connect my dots. Go ahead and cross that one out. Now I'm gonna go to 518. So I go over 5 and up to 18. So 18 is right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a dot. And then I connect my lines. Are you seeing how we're gonna continue to do this? And then I just keep crossing off as I go. 8, 18. Oh, you're okay, Frankie. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, and then a mystery picture is gonna show up. So your guest teacher is gonna hit that timer, and hopefully you will be able to be successful at this. See you tomorrow.